Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger emoji not showing in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to access or use Facebook Messenger emojis, you face the issue that you will not get emojis here. Open Messenger app, and here, for example, I'm going to send emoji to this person, and here you're getting the issue that your emojis are not showing. So let's see how can you fix that issue. So you just have to go back, and very first it must be a network issue, so you have to try to refresh your network. Scroll down your cookie center or control setting, and here you have to make sure that you are connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. Then go back, open your settings here, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you are connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that, then go back. You can also try to make software updates that you haven't any pending software update, or you have to also check your iPhone storage that you have no storage up to 5 to 10 GB free in your iPhone storage to run all apps perfectly. So if there is not enough storage, so it might be create an issue to load emojis in your messenger. So after that, if you're still facing the same issues, you have to try to update your messenger app. Open app store here, search for messenger, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your messenger app. If you find any pending update for your messenger app here, try to update your app, and you have to recheck if your issue has been fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed. So you can try one more step to open your settings here. Go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, cellular data, your hotspot, your AirDrop, and also including your Bluetooth. It will not delete any type of your data, so you can easily try this fix. And after that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. Or if it's still not fixed, it might be that there is any bug or any malware into your messenger app. Now to fix that, you have two different ways. So first, open your settings app here, go for general here, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram app here, or sorry, messenger app here. Once you find messenger app, you have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. If you want to delete or reinstall app without losing app data, so you can try first or to offload app, or if you want to delete app completely with its app data, so you can try to delete app. Tap on delete option, it will completely uninstall messenger app from your phone. Then open your app store here, search for messenger, and you have to reinstall your messenger app here. So after reinstalling, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.